Hello everyone, welcome to Sensible Home Studio, your place for decorating ideas for your home and celebrations. My name is Gretchen and I'm glad you're here. Today I have a project from the guest bedroom I used in my fabric lunch video. If you haven't seen it, I hope you'll watch it later and subscribe to my channel. I'll include the link at the end of this video. This silhouette project is wall art I created of my 4 beautiful grandchildren. I purchased these frames from Hobby Lobby's clearance. They're all the same and I knew I only wanted them for the frames. I painted the complete frame and the attached mat. It's important to spray in even strokes and light coats. It only takes several minutes of drying time between each coat. I chose side profiles of the children. I printed them on color cardstock and cut them out to create a pattern. Since I wanted my silhouettes in black, I traced them on the black cardstock and then cut it out again. I used 2 different striped printed scrapbook papers to glue to the outer mat and the inner circle. I alternated the stripes among the mats and the inner circle on each of the frames. And then I glued the silhouettes inside the circle over the striped paper. I hung them staggered on the wall with the striped ribbon. So let's take a look. I chose to include the wing and a prayer silhouette in the center with the inscription from 1 Samuel 1:27 because I really do pray for my grandkids every day. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the idea that I shared today and you can use it in your home. Remember to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Watch for phase 2 of my launch of Wing and a Prayer giftware on 2/22/22 with many giftware items to inspire and encourage you.